Happy Friday, everybody. Welcome back. My God, does it feel like a Tuesday? Oh, my God. I still can't figure out this whole Wednesday thing with the days off. I just dropped my kids off at school. Came here, and I'm like, they're like, how do you guys feeling? Like, oh, my God, I thought it felt like Monday. It was the weirdest feeling. But yeah, it is Friday. This is probably going to be the last day of this weirdness of trading days and everything. But let me tell you, yesterday was a pretty good day. We had a couple of good stocks, made some nice runs. We're going to check them out. Nice little list of stocks that made some big moves. Some of the stocks moving pretty well. You got this CRNX that's moving up really nicely. Started early this morning around 8 o'clock, ran around $8 up to 11. Really, really, really nice move on that CRNX. So we're going to check that one out and so on. But you could see this stock, you can see it was a $2 stock and nice little pop. By the way, this is what we look for some people watching on social media and stuff like that. Traders here, you know this very well. This is all consolidation. This is something you had to be patient for in the month of December. Ran from like 6 to 870, 750, right on boom, boom, boom. And then bam, you got that big pop like right there. So we'll talk a little bit about that more. But let's talk about what to expect regarding about obviously we're going to talk about what stocks, but let's talk about what happened yesterday. There were a couple of nice little movers that we had. Let's go look at some of those stocks right now. First of all, we had this this QSI trade. Now, I put this back on the watch list. You could see the stock this is what we always say. Day trades turn to short-term swing trades, turn to long-term trades, and that's how to become an option trade. So this QSI, what a really nice mover in the morning. $2.50 stock, shot up to a whopping $3.50. It's up to $5.50. I was checking out the orders in pre-market. Great ladder effect. Great orders. I'm seeing people getting hit on the bid. I'll show you what I got going on right here. Look at all those buyers getting hit, but it never broke it. Okay, that's a really good sign to be stock being very, very strong. So you could see it was a dollar stock just about less than a week ago. Look at that. We're about 500% on the swing trade side of it. So we're putting the QSI back on the watch list this morning. A couple other stocks I want to bang out. We got about the 5 other stocks. I don't know what's the story with this. RGTI, Brigetti, this thing has just been a great, great swing trade and a day trade. Starting to get a little bit more volatile, but Reggie, I mean, it was just 15 yesterday. We saw the stock 10 about a week ago. The stock, if you looked at news, they came out with the big supercomputer. Great, great news on the RGTI. Nice little stock. Going back on the watch list again. LAES. Very, very familiar stock. Once again, just like Reggie. Look at this stock on the bottom right-hand corner. Look at the stock was at $1, went to $2, $4, $10. Had a nice move yesterday. It's been a really, really volatile stock. Not as tradable as the other one, more in the category 3 or 4, but nice move, nice trade. I know you guys did well on it. This is when we put the stock on the B list. This is when we put stock on the watch list 3, which you see on the right-hand side. Always want to keep an eye on these stocks because, once again, all of a sudden they turn and they become really good. Another one that we should be very familiar with, FFIE. Now, this stock, I want to go back in history. I want to show you the stock. Some of you remember the stock very, very well. The stock obviously had a couple of reverse stock splits. It wasn't at $5,000. I don't think anyone saw a stock at $5,000. Maybe the last one you saw was probably Chipotle, and they did a reverse stock split, okay? But stock got destroyed. You could see that right there. But she did pretty well yesterday, and she's been doing well lately. So this stock right here, can be a swing trade, FFIE. And the reason why we're having a consistent trading pattern going on here at $1, we're at the $3. So it's one of those stocks. You got to see it takes about 2-3 days before we convert it into a swing trade. We got to see that consistency there, but I'm going to put it on that list. Tesla got really beat up right in the middle of the day yesterday. 9 o'clock came out with news. The news is the reason why it's down is they didn't deliver as many cars as they did last year. Listen, the stock is doing phenomenal regardless. All right. So, we don't trade Tesla. We'll trade the TSLL. We'll trade the ETFs. It's 1,000 ETFs. But that stock was a pretty good short yesterday. REVB, another one that got really beat up yesterday. Nice little short right there. Do we make a dead cat bounce? Probably not. XPON, another one, got crushed yesterday. Nice little short right there. Another one. Good little action on that one, too. These couple other ones, nothing crazy. And we have the ORIS, that one right there. Another nice little short right there. So anyway, that was the past. Today's the future. Let's focus on what's going on today. A couple of nice little stocks going on. I'm not getting too crazy, okay? Tomorrow, Monday is when you're going to start seeing some action. Monday, Tuesday, people still checked out. Kids, my kids still look like they were drunk going to school. They're still confused with all the days going on. People just coming back from vacation. But listen, New Year's Day was just 2 days ago. All right. So yesterday was the first day of the trading day. It's Friday. You're not going to get a lot of good, really concrete action till then. You got the politicians back in Congress today. They're going to vote on the House Speaker. So there's going to be a lot of chaos going on. So we're probably going to see a lot of action happening into next week. But anyway, there are a couple of stocks that are moving this morning, as always. So NEO is one of them right there. INTO. Look at this beautiful stock right here. Great runner-up. It was a great runner-up yesterday. Forgot to put that on the watch list too, but I was saving it till now because I want to show you why. So NEO, INTO, great push-up. 50-cent stock, went to $1. Now it's starting to get into, because we don't like to trade stocks under $1. That's why I don't want to bring it up. But now it's starting to make some pretty good action. And this is the crazy part right here. There's a 250,000 share seller at $3. Let me show you right there. You see that big fat red line right there? Look how gorgeous that was. Now, for all you trial members, the ones that are watching on social media, I did an event yesterday. If you didn't watch it, go back and watch it yesterday. I spent a lot of time talking about it. We do a once-a-week open house. You could click on that QR code too. You could actually on the right-hand side, scan the QR code. You can come join the trading room if you want. But that's what we got to focus on, that big iceberg order. Big volume bull just came in right now. Looks like a lot of orders showing up. Stock already traded 67 million shares. 67. It's the market's not even open for some people. Unbelievable run up right there. So anyway, that made the watch list. MFI, another one right here. All right, so I saw a big order just showed up and canceled right around $1.30. MFI, nice little push, inexpensive stock, 44 million shares, up 84%. Like that stock right there. Check is another one, but she started to trend down. It looks like it was almost an earnings announcement that came out on that, but she's starting to trend down. I would probably put this on the B list. All right. Anyway, we know what happens with a B list. Sometimes market opens up and they'll end up being on the A list. This one right here too, nice push up, but the only thing I don't like about it, the spread is it looks pretty volatile. 8 million shares traded. This is the stock we just talked about. Consolidated, made a nice pop. Orders are pretty much hovering right now. I'm seeing somebody got done at 11. There's buyers here at 10.20. It looks like it's going to probably be a level 3 stock. Okay, CRNC. I'll show you what I'm talking about. See that order right there got filled, and then you can see the orders down here at the bottom. It's only my concern on that stock right there. Okay, so that one also. The QSI was a really nice move from yesterday. You could see it's moving again this morning. I just want to hop over here and show you on orders wise. I'm not seeing that many orders. Now remember, us here at Cybertrade University, the way we teach you how to trade is you got to follow the money, right? Not really seeing too many orders other than all the way down to about 360. Somebody was out there right around $5. He got filled. You can see it right there. See the orders out there? Not really crazy about 300,000 share buyer, 360, but we're at $5. So like 360 is a bit. That's like all the way down here. You know what I mean? That's way, 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 way down out of the way. But anyway, it's on the watch list. I'm putting it on the watch list. All right. So what else have we got here? The CRNX we already talked about. Did we look at this one? Yeah, this one was kind of flat. The ONDS, this is another one that I found this morning. So this stock has a pretty big order right now. It's been there since 8 o'clock this morning. Nice stock, big order. Look at that big fat red line right there. Got a 39,000 share seller at 360. Not as big in depth as the one at 260, but you can see it right there. That's that resistance levels right there. So it's already close to 4 o'clock in the morning's high. So anyway, that one looks pretty good. ONDS it's been doing great. You could see here in the past month, people love it. Things moving up great. So obviously the news that they came out with is pretty good. All right, so getting down here, down to the 10% range. So we're going to quit right there. Losers, didn't see anything out there. You could see FFIE is on that losers list because it's been up so well, but could be a swing trade, could be holding up pretty strong right there. New York Stock Exchange, I didn't really see too much on New York. Usually New York, we don't see too much. Usually most action usually happens in NASDAQ, but just sometimes something might pop up out of nowhere. Looks like KOLD is on the winners. That means that Boyle is on the losers as usual. X, oh my God, U.S. Steel. Stock is getting crushed, I guess, after they busted that deal regarding about not being sold in Japan, that buyout. But anyway, that stock's not doing too well. So it looks like it's getting close to support levels, though. I'll put X on a watch list. All right. So, yeah, Josh has just brought up that stock. Yeah, Josh, I already got that on the list. The ONDS, that one we have up there. It looks pretty good. I like that big buyer out there. All right, traders, that pretty much does it. Listen, it's Friday. Let's not get too cocky. Let's not get too crazy. I know some of you probably want to do some swing trades and probably get into some certain stocks. Let's not get too, unless you really, really, really like something, then consider it. But wait till next week. All right. Wait till next week. Let the smokes clear. I was thinking about getting to something on New Year's Eve, but I'm like, I put things on hold. I wait till today. I actually jumped into Amazon yesterday. It's at support levels here. I bought a couple shares here, very small lot of it. So that one looks kind of flat right there. Listen, who didn't buy stuff on Amazon for Christmas? My God, I mean, the more and more you do it, who wants to go shopping in the store? Just Amazon is just phenomenal. All right, now another thing Josh has posted up there. Phase 2 is going to be going on today. I will be doing a presentation for timing research at 10 a.m. for some of you. Get that link. You're more than happy to join us. But if not, just stay in the trading room, trade together like a team. If you're watching on social media, once again, feel free to take your phone, scan the QR code, and come and join us. All right, guys? So let's get ready for the market to open up. We got 15 minutes. All right. Go heat up your coffee. Go hit the restrooms. We'll be back here, so don't go anywhere. All right, everyone else, we'll see you back here at tomorrow, 9:30 and at 2:30. Or once again, feel free to join our trading room. Good luck, everyone. Josh is doing phase 2 at 10:30. All right, there you go. There's the link. Good luck. Happy trading. If I don't see you, enjoy your weekend.